Hey, what's up? It's Scott. I've had some subscribers ask about advice on how to get in shape for the police academy. So here's the first thing I would recommend. You have to be consistent. If you work out on Monday and then you don't work out again until Friday, kind of defeating the point there. Be consistent. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Take the weekend off, but don't eat bad. It's your decision as long as there's some kind of consistency. And I know what I hear a lot from people, and I hear this from cops as well, who are getting out of shape, unfortunately. I don't have time. I don't have time. But Scott, I don't have time. You have to make the time. But here's the good news about time and physical fitness. You don't have to go to the gym for an hour or 2 hours. You don't have to do it. I'm telling you right now, I don't work out for more than 45 minutes. It's great. Do 5 to 10 minutes of stretching, push for 20 to 30 minutes, and then do a cool down. However, if you're new to working out, you're going to have to work your way up to actually like pushing yourself very, very hard. If you just jump into a workout after not exercising consistently and you go to a CrossFit gym and you say, hey, throw everything you got at me, I got to get in shape for the police academy, you're going to have one workout, won't be able to move for 7 days because of soreness, and then you're going to quit because you get burned out and disgruntled. At least that could happen, or you stand a very good chance of that happening. So be consistent. And pace yourself, but always work and seek to grow. The next thing is this. So you got your consistency and you've got your time allocated, 20 to 40 minutes of working out. Heck, doing burpees for 10 minutes can be a good workout. If you don't know what burpees are, go on YouTube, look up burpees. Woohoo! The next piece of advice I would give you is you have to get strong and conditioned in push-ups and pull-ups. Don't have a bar, then do this. Do a push-up and then do this. Push-up, do 2 push-ups and then do this. It'll start to work on you. My recommendation is that you be able to do 20 push-ups without stopping. That's a bare minimum. My ultimate recommendation is to always be able to do more push-ups each and every week than what you were able to do the week before, but at least bare minimum be able to do 20 push-ups without stopping. That's bare minimum. You never want to be bare minimum anyway. Next exercise I would recommend that you really need to get strong with, because you could very well have to do them to pass some kind of physical fitness test, or sit-ups. Plus, having a strong core can help your back. It can help the rest of your body perform well because you have a stronger core. So sit-ups are absolutely important. I would recommend you be able to do at least 50 sit-ups without stopping. Again, if you can only do 35 sit-ups, then just start practicing them and work your way up. Not get down on yourself if you can't go from 35 to 50 within a week. Going to have to work on yourself consistently. We all do, but overall, calisthenics are very important. Jumping jacks, squats, lunges, burpees, mountain climbers, those kind of calisthenic workouts are absolutely phenomenal when it comes to physical conditioning that you could very well have to do at the police academy. The next exercise you're going to have to do, like there's no way around it, there shouldn't be any way around it, is jogging. Going to have to run. My advice, be able to run 1.5 to 2 miles without stopping. I don't know what the times are going to be for your school. It's up to you to understand the qualifications necessary, but here's what I would say when it comes to making sure that you're able to meet the times in the run. 1, yes, practice running. 2, practice running uphill as much as possible. Or sprint for 20 seconds, jog for 15 seconds. Sprint for 10 seconds, jog for 20 seconds, whatever you need to do, but just do something. Don't go on just a casual stroll week after week after week without pushing yourself. You can really only get stronger when you push yourself, when you do something that hurts, not because you have improper form, but because you're pushing yourself. When you do something that hurts, that's when you get stronger and you get better. It is awesome when you get better, though, let me tell you. And always strive to continuously get better in your physical conditioning, myself included. So we've gone over consistency. We've gone over the fact you don't need to work out for an hour or 2. You can do it in 20 to 40 minutes. Do push-ups, do at least 20 without stopping. Get pretty strong with sit-ups. You can also do planks to help build your core. Be very familiar and conditioned for workouts with calisthenics. Next is one of my favorite forms of exercise that I've had the last 3 years, and I have felt younger because I've been doing this. And I've also built my core up and the toneness of my arms because I do yoga.
What? Yoga? That's for sissies.
No, it's not. If you look up some of the most elite athletes of the world, you'll see that they do yoga. I'm not a Seattle Seahawks fan by any means, but I do like Russell Wilson. He does yoga. Yoga can help prevent you from getting hurt while you're at the police academy. It can help to keep you young. And when you do put on that police uniform after you've graduated, yoga can help prevent injury, but also help you not feel as stiff when you wear that gear for 12 hours or however long your shift may be. I recommend you go to YouTube and you look up Sean Vigue Yoga.
And I am feeling electrified.
He makes yoga not so boring, in my opinion, and also has many workouts for you to choose from. You know what, in fact, I'll just leave a link below to his channel. So there it is. You've got it below. There's your resource for staying young, staying strong, and staying physically fit and preventing injury. I can't count, whatever. I'm a Marine. Next thing I would recommend is if you do have the ability and the time to get to a gym, then do weights. If you don't have the time and the money to be a member of a gym, then buy some kettlebells. Just make that initial investment, and that can be your weight training. You can do curls with them. You can do tricep lifts with them. You can do shoulder raises with them. You can do squats holding them, and you can also get in cardio. But weight training is good for strength, obviously, but also weight training helps with bone density. And when you're going to be doing a lot of running, you want your bones to be strong. But be very careful that you don't sacrifice your cardio for your weights. If you can maintain a good balance so you're physically fit with weights and cardio, that's great. But for police training, it's not really that imperative that you bench press 400 pounds. What's really imperative is that you meet the cardio standards and the calisthenic standards of a police academy. Last but not least, you have to eat well. Bottom line, I'm not saying don't ever have another donut. What I'm saying is, get your fruits and vegetables in, get your whole grains in, get your lean meats in. Grabbing a quick burger at a fast food joint is not going to help your physical conditioning. You can eat like crap and work out, you're not going to really look that much different. I'm not a nutrition expert, I'm just giving you common sense knowledge and encouraging you to get more nutrients and fiber into your system versus the processed foods of potato chips, burgers, fast food, all these things that are convenient yet destructive to our health. I will start filming my workouts so that we can be friends working out and we can get stronger and better together. Do what you have to do and be willing to gain mental and physical strength for yourself so that you can join a noble profession in which you are responding to save those who call 911. Stay fit, stay strong. I've rambled enough. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more information. I look forward to talking to you again. Take care, and may God bless.